Smartivity STEM Science, Technology, Engineering, Maths. Glow in the dark. Beautifully image that is shown in the front packaging. This child safe and non-toxic. Easy experiment. For product review, they have also given you can scan and you can see. It is marketed and manufactured Gurgaon, Haryana. Net quantity 1 U. Product name Glow in the Dark Science Lab. Product code MRP is 1099 inclusive of all taxes. Hazards small parts not for children under 3 years old. Contain coin cell battery. They have mentioned everything. Caution. Adult supervision required. Discard scrap after use. For detail of BIS certification, please visit and the website name which is given. On the back of the pack, there is given Glow in the Dark, a magical introduction to the world of glow in the dark that your children will love. Your child will make glow in the dark spinners, potions, soap, and flowers. They will solve the glow in the dark mazes with UV light, make glow in the dark sticks, and much more. The kit comes with easy to follow instruction and simple explanation of scientific concepts. The additional experiment that can be performed with common household items. Learn about fluorescence, ultraviolet light, glow in the dark material. Inside the box, equipment that is beaker, cup, test tube, spoon, stirring stick, pipettes, red green, blue LED, UV torch, UV stand, coin cell, maze sheet, magic disc, twister. The chemical liquid that is brightener, fluorescent dye, vinegar, magic sheet, glow in the dark powder, green neon, glow stick, glycerin, baking soda, glow in the dark powder, that is aqua. Step by step instruction booklet is also given. It increases attention span, which is mentioned over here. Green free plates. Build love for science. Non-toxic and safe. Environment friendly. So once you open, there's a booklet where everything is mentioned. Every detail is given. They have given this activities for smarter learning. This all which is come in this kit.